Here we are yet again talking boilers. This video is going to be focusing on one of the specific components in a boiler system right here, which is called a condensate neutralizer. So high efficiency boiler systems and condensing boilers do exactly that. They condense. What that means is that the exhaust that's going outside from this unit is going to condense the water vapor in the air, and it's going to drip back down into the unit. Now, the benefit of that is creating a higher efficiency unit. So it uses that condensation to pull additional energy out. Sounds a little crazy. It's physics. I'll have a separate video on that, but for now I just want to talk about this component in particular. So when a boiler is condensing, you have to do something with that leftover condensation. So on this unit right here, it's going to be dripping right out of this port back there. And there's many things you can do with that depending on your situation. So the first thing you're going to want to do is run it through a neutralizer. That condensation, because it's being burnt from fuel, there's carbon dioxide in it, it's going to be highly acidic. So what's going to be dripping directly out of that is a very high acidity level water. So when that water enters into this component here, it's going to be saturated with this inside and all around this media. What's in there is basically just a little bag of media that's going to neutralize that water. And then what it's going to do is fill up to a certain level, spill over, and then come out. So you do want that water to sort of sit in there a while in order to have its reaction that needs to go through. And then it will drain, and right now I actually have this just draining into my septic system. So that kind of brings up another reason. Not only do you want to knock down that acidity, but the reason for it is so that you're not causing corrosion in the drainage system. You're not screwing with your septic system at all. It's also pretty much required by code. So very good practice to install these with every boiler system. The other thing you're going to want to do is, if you don't have a drain, you could just run this after this neutralizer into a condensate pump and then pump that up and over to a nearby sink or a floor drain or what have you. So my go-to lately has been this pH Pro made by Rectorseal. They make a lot of different components and whatnot. This thing's great. The maintenance on it is super easy. You just unscrew these unions, and this is the whole kit comes with this centerpiece, comes with the unions, comes with the media already. And then to replace this thing and maintain it, which I do once a year, is replace this. Is just unscrew this, pull out that bag, throw in a new one, and screw it back together, and you're all set. So highly recommend. Check them out. pH Pro by Rectorseal. I have featured them before in my other videos, so look out for those videos. You'll probably be seeing these again on a lot of my builds coming up. So I hope you guys have liked this sort of series of videos I've been putting together going over these components. If you have any recommendations, please comment, email me. This is sort of how I come up with all these ideas to make videos of. So really appreciate you guys reaching out. And if you got questions at all, or if you want a design of a boiler system or a pre-built system, my contact info is always in the description. And with that said, we'll see you guys on the next one.